Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So it's a very impromptu video. So in today's video what I would be showing is, sorry for the background noise, can't help it, I'm recording at night at home. Yeah, getting back to the point. So we have my Insta360 camera and this is the Insta360 One X2 and my DJI Mic Mini. So as you all know, I have made a video on how to connect the DJI Mic Mini with my Action 4 camera. So you can check it out here. So that video has helped quite a few people, and so I thought about making another video, and I just had the Insta360 camera. And in case you are wondering how to connect this DJI Mic Mini to the Insta360 One X2, then this video is for you. So let's begin. So by default there is no way that you can connect the DJI mic to the camera, because Insta360 One X2 does not support the Bluetooth connectivity of the DJI Mic Mini. The later versions of the Insta360 do support it. So all you have to do is, so this is my Insta360, you swipe down from the settings and you come here and click on the AirPods. So as you can see that it was, I had connected it before, so that's why. But in case, I'll just hold the link button. Yeah, so now the mic is in pairing mode, and in case you don't see it here, or you have to put it in the pairing mode, and then you will see an option here and it will just directly start connecting. So let me just get over this glitch and get back to you. Yep, so I'm back, and so as you can see there's no devices, so I will turn on my microphone, and currently the Bluetooth is on now, but it's not discoverable, so but it's not seen, so we can just turn on the pairing mode. And you should be able to see it pop up. If you don't see it, then maybe just close it and come back in again. Yep, so you can see that's the DJI Mic Mini. So I will click on it and it says AirPods connected, and also over here you will see right on top there is that AirPods icon. So now, and you see that the blinking has stopped on the mic. So now the audio that is going to be captured on your Insta360 is going to be through this DJI Mic Mini wireless mic. So the audio of the Insta360 One X2 is already good because of its mics, but in case you want a specific POV kind of audio, then that's when you could use this method and get the audio you desire. So that's it for this video. I'll keep it short and simple. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like if this video helped you. Do check out some of my other videos, and I will be making a future unboxing of a few more things that I've bought of late. But yep, that's been it for now. So like, share, subscribe, comment your thoughts down below, and I'll see you in the next one.